Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix yellow screen problem on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let us start. So guys, I'm gonna show you 4 methods by which you can do it. So the first method is you have to turn off eye comfort shield. So for that, just open your settings app and then scroll down to a display and then tap on it and then scroll down a little bit and you can see here we have eye comfort shield. So just tap on it. So make sure it is turned off. So when I turn it off, you can see in my case it's fixed. I don't have yellow screen. Okay, you can see it's fixed. And if this doesn't fix it, let me show you second method. So in second method you have to turn off color filter. Okay, so just go to the main screen of your settings app and then scroll down to accessibility and then tap on it and then tap on vision enhancements and then scroll down a little bit and you can see here we have color filter. So just tap on it. So in my case it's turned off. So if it is turned on and if you have yellow color selected, then you will have yellow screen, you can see. Okay, so make sure it is turned off. And even if this doesn't fix it, then you have to go back and make sure color correction is also turned off. So in third method, if you have color correction turned on, make sure it is turned off as well. And if all these 3 methods don't work for you, let me show you the fourth method. Okay, so just go to the main screen of your settings app and then scroll down to general management and then tap on it and then scroll down to reset and then tap on it and then scroll down to reset this section, and in this section you can see here we have reset all settings. So just tap on it. So in fourth method you have to reset all settings. So this will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data and settings for downloaded apps. So just tap on reset settings, this button, provide your PIN pattern or password. So before doing that, make sure you read this message. All settings will be reset to their defaults and can't be recovered. To apply the new settings, your phone will restart. So just read this message and if you agree, only then tap on reset this button. So in my case, yellow screen problem is solved, so I'm not gonna reset it. So just try all these 4 methods and let me know in the comment section whether it fixes your yellow screen problem or not. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.